How to rank Squarespace SEO in easy steps. I will show you how you can easily rank Squarespace SEO in 12 steps. Firstly, go to the browser and search squarespace.com on the search bar. After opening the website, go to Products and the drop-down menu will pop up. You will see 4 sections. Create a website, sell anything, get a domain, and build your brand. You will find different options in these sections like website overview, sell product, and etc. Go to Resources and the drop-down menu will pop up. You will see options like Made Squarespace, Squarespace blog, and etc. Scroll down the Squarespace webpage. On the right side, you will see the guidelines. You can create a website, sell your product, and market your business. Scroll down and you can explore templates here, like portfolios, online stores, and etc. Scroll down to see how to grow a business online with the steps given. You can explore selling and scroll down more. You can explore scheduling and courses from this website. Add a new tab to your browser and search Squarespace SEO tips. Click the link from semrush.com and the website will open. Scroll down and you can see all the tips to optimize your website. By scrolling down, you will see more tips and their details. Follow these given tips to optimize your website. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.